Computer programs have become an essential part of our daily life. Just like now. You are using this awesome app to learn C# basics. And that's a great thing to do. In this chapter, we will cover the basics of how a basic program is written in C#. Let's get started. For C# basics, we are going to use console applications to get started. It basically means a window on your screen that shows some data. We specifically selected the console apps to begin with. It's easy to build console apps that perform most of the background operations. Also, choosing console apps will enable us to hit the ground running. Our very first program will display the famous phrase in the programming world, "Hello World," on the console window. So, we have a file with the extension .cs, which is a C# code file. In order to build a console app, first, we need to add the necessary libraries to our app. What comes second is the namespace. The next thing to do is to create a class. Remember, C# is an object-oriented programming language. And after creating a class, we need to create an entry point function, which is by default the main function. That's where the code execution starts. Let's see how all that explained above looks in code. Not that complicated, right? We can see that this program currently does not have any output. Let's go ahead and make one. In C#, the code execution takes its start from the main function. So all the callouts and actions we wish our program to perform have to be written between curly brackets in the main function. To create an output, we are going to use console.writeLine method. We have to enclose the words we want our program to display for us by quotes. Quite simple, isn't it? Worried about the console.writeLine part? For now, let's just understand that it is a way of outputting any message on the screen. In upcoming chapters, we shall take this understanding a little more ahead. Getting started with C# in the programming world is a great option. C# has all kinds of capabilities and it's a very popular object-oriented programming language. Great choice. Let's keep going. In order to create a C# application, we need to include libraries that we are going to use. Example, using system. Create a namespace. Namespace my first program. Create a class inside it. Class my first class. Create the main function where code execution starts. Static void main string, args. Spectacular! You just proved that you know the basic structure of a C# program. Time to say hello C#. Let's dive deeper and learn some awesome things that will help you to take your C# skills to the next level.